In this video, I want to talk about Godox customer support. Right now I'm building an FAQ to get rid of redundant questions in the Godox user group. The Godox user group is a Facebook group with 40,000 Godox users that help each other out and share images, and if you're interested in joining because you're not there already, it's linked in the description below. A common discussion in the Godox user group is, I need help with my product and Godox won't help me. They won't answer my email. And this is also a very common point that people will make against Godox equipment, stating that you get no customer support and you can't call anybody to get help or fix your product. This is largely just a misconception from people who don't understand how the Godox brand works. Godox is simply a manufacturer of lighting equipment. They sell directly to other retailers who then distribute the lights to individual photographers. Now, the reason Godox does not offer customer support is because it's not part of their business model, and instead, the retailer that purchases lights from Godox, the manufacturer, is the one who is assigned with supporting, repair, and warranty of the product. So originally, back when I started my channel, I said I'm always going to talk about Godox products and I'm not going to mention these other rebrands because I want to shine a light on the company that is manufacturing these products. But I quickly learned that that wasn't Godox's business model at all, and all communication on the brand is supposed to happen through these retailers that decide to carry their product. Which also led me to stop purchasing equipment on eBay, which is initially the only place I found it, and instead only purchase from Adorama in the US. Because Adorama as a retailer is expected to handle the warranty and support of the product, and I wanted to make sure I was getting support from a big US company. So now let's quickly talk about some of the negative effects that this kind of business model has. The biggest one being the support that you get depending on where you buy from. Unfortunately, not all Godox distributors are created equally. So there's been instances where a Godox product has failed, but the person purchased from eBay, and when they try to communicate for support down the road or a replacement, even if it's within the warranty period, they got no return communication. Again, this is why I currently only purchase from Adorama, or at a minimum, I recommend that you look for somewhere that is going to back up the warranty, and they've had a track record of carrying the Godox products and supporting them for a long period of time. Now, I'd like to lean on you guys a bit here because my experience kind of stops once we stop talking Godox in the US. I do know about Strobe Pro being a big one in Canada, and I know about Pixapro pretty much being the leader in the UK, but beyond that, I don't know who is the go-to company representing the Godox brand or carrying the Godox brand in other places in the world. So if you're from somewhere that I haven't mentioned, let me know in the comments below your country, as well as the most common place that people purchase Godox products and ensuring that they back up their warranty. That way, people stumbling on this video can go through the comments to find out what is the best option for them. Unfortunately, there have existed retailers who do not back up the product. Well, this primarily happens on Amazon and eBay. This is typical e-commerce giant garbage where the retailer will bolster their page with fake reviews and then sell the product for a short period of time and then close up shop, change their name, and start all over. This is all a technique to sell a product that is really hot and popular and then not have to deal with the losses that they would incur backing up the product long term. This is not limited at all to Godox equipment. This happens on Amazon and eBay all the time. So if you're going to be making a purchase, then I really encourage you to do your homework, see how long that place has carried Godox equipment, and if you can, get a real person referral, somebody else who has had and dealt with this company 2 years ago, or check in the Godox user group to see if anybody else has purchased from this company and what their experience has been like long term. Also, because of all these videos, I clearly have a direct line of communication to Godox. Now, if there is a company out there that will not honor the warranty, I want you guys to comment in this video, or actually, you know what? Email me directly, info@robhallphoto.com. If you're dealing with a company that will not back up their warranty, give me as much information on the company that you purchase from as you can, and I will forward that information to Godox. Because the whole deal when somebody signs up to sell Godox products is that they back up the warranty that Godox has issued. And if they're not doing it, then they should not continue to be a retailer. So I'll do my best to communicate that to Godox so that they can handle it appropriately, and hopefully we can get that company to honor their warranty to you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe if you want to see more, and until next time, keep on shooting.